Come live with me. Come live with me. We'll be happy.
God!
My Alpha! The curse is devouring your soul. By the next full moon,
Say it.
you'll slaughter your own pack.
I won't let this curse destroy my own people. I will accept exile.
No! I cursed you so you'd never find your fated mate, not to drive you away. As long as she doesn't exist in your world, you're mine.
Serafina, you are the pack witch, the strongest she-wolf of the pack.
Until I return, Serafina rules in my stead.
Her word is law.
Yes, Alpha.
Jackson, wait! You'll come back, Jackson. Even if you meet your mate, the curse will make you tear her apart. Then you'll finally understand. You were only ever meant to be mine.
Honey, surprise! You asshole!
Chill, sweetheart. Just pre-gaming before the honeymoon. What guy doesn't do it? I promise that once we're married, it's only you.
Relax, Aurora. You've been living off my scraps your whole life. My old clothes, my old bags, now even my man. Fine. You want to keep this piece of trash so bad? Keep it.
Oh!
The wedding's off.
Are you insane? I invited half the town here today! Do you have any idea what this will do to our family's reputation?
Keep screwing Bianca.
Think very carefully about your next move, because marrying me is the only way you escape this shithole family. So, you either walk down that aisle, or you stay here and rot for the rest of your pathetic days!
I would rather marry a stranger off the street than spend one more second with you. You. Will you be my groom? Will you be my groom? Right here, right now.
It's calling to me. How is that possible? Unless she's...
Are you fucking crazy? What, you pull this bum out of the gutter just to piss me off?
I do.
Well, you heard it yourself. The wedding's still happening, you're just not the groom anymore. Wow, Aurora. I mean, usually you wait for my sloppy seconds. Now you're out here just picking up trash. It's just pathetic. Even for you.
Fine. You know what? Have fun with your bum living in a cardboard box. You will be crawling back to me on your hands and knees within a week!
I'll see you at the wedding.
It's not too late to stop this. It's our guests see that beggar. Our family's gonna be the joke of the town. Who is that? I don't remember Aurora's fiancé being that hot.
This wedding might be fake, but the vows are real. Aurora, you sure about this?
At least I know you're not going to screw my sister behind my back.
Put our arms around each other. Be there for one another. What are we waiting for? Ooh, life is so short. Come live with me. Come live with me. We'll be happy. Come live with me. Come live with me.
I have waited years to fuck you, and I'm not going to let some street rat take that from me.
I'm not your puppy. Get off of me!
Oh, feisty. I like that. Go ahead. Fight back. You know it gets me harder. Now, let's see what you've got under this dress, huh?
No!
You are going nowhere tonight, princess. What? How the hell did you get in here?
This is my wedding night, and I'm the groom. So the question is, why the fuck are you here?
To the hell, you piece of shit! Ah! Ah!
Thank you for saving me.
You're my wife now. It's my duty to protect you.
Put your hand in. Put your hand in mine. Please stop laughing at my dancing style around the kitchen. Around the kitchen we will fly. Let me say how much I love you. You're the best thing in my world.
What's wrong?
By the moon. She is my mate. Why can't I mark my own mate? This goddamn curse. Blood. I need her blood. Why do I want to attack humans? No. She's my mate. I can't.
Albert! There you are! Me is a filthy human? This worthless bitch doesn't deserve him!
Get me out of here. Yeah.
Jackson? 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 Are you Jackson? Do you know where Jackson is?
Jackson? Where are you?
Doctor, what's wrong with my son?
I've never seen anything like this. It appears to be a genetic defect inherited from the father. Where is he? We need to run tests on both of them.
He's,
Alpha.
Jackson, 7 years and you're finally awake. I've waited 7 years for this.
7 years? Where's my mate? I can feel her. I remember the warmth of her skin, but I can't see her face.
Perfect. The curse works. Forget her, Jackson. Forget she ever existed.
Serafina, that night, why did I suddenly lose control? Why did I suddenly want to attack humans?
The curse. It's unpredictable. Your mate bond may have caused a mutation. You started seeing her as a threat. Thankfully, the 7-year slumber helped you suppress it.
My king, forgive me. Did I hear you correctly? You said that you met your fated mate 7 years ago. That's incredible. I have to tell the rest of the pack.
I remember we got married. There was a wedding on a lawn. I tried to mark her, but I couldn't. Where was I 7 years ago?
Well, we found you in Pinecrest.
Send in the orders. Mobilize the entire pack. Turn that town upside down if you have to. I must find my mate.
Yes, Alpha.
I will never let that bitch stand before him again.
Doctor, please, is there a cure?
Here's the estimate.
$50,000. I don't have that kind of money.
Perhaps you can ask family for support.
Take your little bastard and get out. You've disgraced this family enough.
Are you okay? Mom, please. Please, he's burning up. Just let us stay for a few days, please.
For what? So he can die in this house and make it even more embarrassing? No thanks. Get your diseased kid out of here.
Mom, it's okay. I don't need this surgery.
Don't worry about that, sweetie. Mommy's gonna fix this, and you are going to be okay. I promise.
That man must have had some kind of genetic disease. That's why he was homeless. Too bad Leo's got it too.
7 years. Do you think I can still find her?
Yes, you will, my king. She's your mate. The moon goddess brought you together once. She will guide you back together once again.
Mom, where's Dad? Why doesn't he want us?
Sweetie, it's not that. It's just... Your dad is a mistake that I made a really long time ago.
Oh.
Wait, that woman. She looks exactly like that human from 7 years ago.
Mom, why are you looking at that guy? Is he my dad?
No, sweetie. I thought I recognized him.
No.
Jackson was a homeless drifter. There's no way he's riding in a car like that. I must be losing my mind.
Hello? Miss Steele? This is HR from the Gillis Corporation. Congratulations! You've been selected for the janitor position. Can you start tomorrow?
Yes, absolutely. I will be there, thank you. Baby, I got the job. We're gonna have money for your surgery in no time.
Yes.
Alpha, we've compiled a list of all the married women in Pinecrest over the last 7 years. These are the best matches.
That face. I know that face.
Aurora?
Seriously, you can't even mop the floor.
Get out of my sight, for I have you fired!
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry.
That voice. Did I imagine it?
Serafina, don't be rude to the staff.
Oh, Jackson, I just wanted everything to be perfect for you. No distractions while you search for your perfect mate.
Thank you, Serafina.
It's her. That child. No. If that child is who I think he is, I have to get rid of them. Permanently! Before Jackson figures it out, this problem has to disappear. Clean and final. Come in!
Aurora? What the hell is she doing here?
Are you kidding me? That bitch works here now? You know her?
An ex-girlfriend. Total whore. No shame at all.
Yeah, someone like her shouldn't even be allowed in the building. We, on the other hand, are perfect for your management team.
I have a better offer. Get rid of that bitch and her bastard son. Sell them on the underground labs, on the high seas. Make them disappear. Do that. You're executive directors by Monday.
Consider it done. They will vanish without a trace.
Oh, and the CEO can't hear about this. Understood?
Absolutely.
Better to let these two idiots handle the dirty work.
Oh, thank you, my little helper.
Oh, I'm the new director of tech department. Unlike you, a janitor who will be on her hands and knees scrubbing the floor for the rest of her life. If you like to be filthy so much, drink up!
My blood. I can feel him. My bloodline is very much alive.
You mean in air?
He's here. He's in the building.
Yo, shit, you bit me!
What the fuck? He's got fangs! He's some little freak!
What kind of demon did you pop out?
He's not a demon!
Die, you little freak! Ooh.
Go to hell, both of you!
Alpha, are you sure? There's no one here.
Oh, impossible. It was a resonance. His blood was calling to me. I can feel his power.
Did you see that little freak? He has fangs! There's something wrong with him. Should we tell somebody?
7 years ago, you humiliated me, Aurora. Made me look like a fool. Now I'm gonna take it all back with interest. Starting with that little monster of yours.
Miss Serafina, Chad, I have an idea.
Aurora? Find her. Phone number, home address, everything. And I want it in the next 10 minutes.
Yes, Alpha.
Mom, those people said my dad was homeless. Is that true?
Baby, listen to me. It doesn't matter who your dad was. What matters is that you have me. And I'm never gonna leave you. Ever.
But, Mommy, if Daddy was here, you wouldn't have to work so hard. People wouldn't be mean to you. Mhm.
I'll take better care of Alaric for you.
If I had another chance, I would never choose him again. Today marks the 10th anniversary since I married Alaric.
Alaric, you're back. Why?
Vivian is my true mate. It's time for you to step aside.
Vivian? My cousin? I didn't know that she was the one you loved. Why didn't you just reject me 10 years ago?
You're the Wolf Princess. The Wolf King ordered us to get married. How could I reject you? If it wasn't for you, Vivian and I would have been together ages ago.
I devoted everything to making your pack the strongest in the kingdom. How could you be so cruel? Lord, please, I don't want to die. Use your alpha power to save me.
Alaric is my man. He won't save you.
Arya, you're so stupid. You have no idea how much I hate you and your father. I killed him. Poison. The noble Kingsley bloodline ends today.
No.
You don't deserve to be my Luna. I, Alaric Leon, reject you as my mate. Finally, I can make you my Luna.
Rest in peace. I'll take better care of Alaric for you.
10 years of marriage. I never knew he hated me this whole time. My foolish love to him got my father killed. Goddess of the moon. If I had another chance, I would never choose him again.
Arya,
Father,
today's the day you choose your husband.
I'm still alive? And I'm back on the day I chose my husband?
You've always adored Alaric since you were kids. If he makes my baby girl happy, then let it be him.
No, Father.
What?
I'm not picking Alaric. I choose him.
Lucian?
Him?
Lucian? Are you sure?
Tim? Why did I pick him? He was always my biggest nightmare in my past life.
I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with the pictures in my head.
Gotcha!
I know it sounds crazy, maybe one day I could share them with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I really don't mind waiting as long as it takes you.
In my past life, Lucian joined the war after my wedding and died on the battlefield. We never got to see each other again.
Well, you two never got along. I remember he snatched the dessert you made for Alaric, and you two had a brutal fight. Arya, you always liked Alaric. What changed your mind?
My decision is final, Father. I choose Lucian. Although Lucian crosses me every chance he gets, he's never stabbed me in the heart. Whoever it is still better than Alaric.
Princess Kingsley!
Miss Kingsley, who did you choose?
Of course it's Alaric. Everyone knows Miss Kingsley's in love with Alaric.
And the princess would never choose Lucian. Oh, he fights with her every day.
Alaric, I devoted everything to you in my last life and died tragically. This time, I chose... The beta will announce who I chose at my engagement ceremony in 10 days. You'll all find out then. I expect you to attend, Alaric.
Princess Kingsley?
Oh my... Princess Kingsley! Why would you do this to me? Vivian, are you okay? Apologize to Vivian.
Always the same old trick.
Vivian!
Alaric, I didn't!
Oh!
Vivian, your little tricks won't work this time. Why would I apologize to her? She ripped her own dress to create drama.
Princess, are you saying Vivian deliberately ripped her dress just to frame you?
You never can tell with her.
Nonsense. Vivian is the kindest and purest soul in the entire realm. Everyone knows that. She'd never have done that.
Alaric, you're talking to the Wolf Princess. Mind your manners.
Lucian, stop. Miss Kingsley is crazy over Alaric. You don't want to cross him.
I used to be blinded by my love for Alaric, but it won't happen again. Vivian, let me ask you directly. Did I, or did I not, cut your dress?
Princess Kingsley, I apologize if I upset you somehow, but you don't have to humiliate me this way.
I am the Wolf Princess of the Silver Moon Kingdom. If I want to punish you, I don't need permission. And why would I use scissors to cut you when I have the sharpest claws? If you want to play the victim, as you wish.
Vivian!
Get her the best doctor. I'll pay for the medical bills.
Arya, you've crossed the line.
No, you crossed the line. When you disrespected me and accused me without evidence.
No way. Her Highness actually scolded Alaric. She's usually so protective of him. What's going on?
Lucian, thank you for defending me. Please make sure to attend my engagement ceremony.
Does it even matter? You're not going to choose me anyway. I might not even be available that day, so I'll send a generous gift.
I will choose you, and I'll prepare a bigger gift for you as well.
Princess Kingsley, you have extraordinary taste in jewelry. That is the moonlight gem, and legend has it that it carries the blessings from the moon goddess for lovers. It is one of a kind.
Oh, Alaric, thank you for staying with me today. God, you are always so kind to me.
Vivian, I am so sorry that the princess took out her anger on you because of me. You don't deserve any of that.
Well, she is the supreme and noble wolf princess. She will always get what she wants, but it's okay. I mean, I'm already used to it.
Vivian doesn't deserve this. I'll do everything I can to compensate her.
Alaric, I heard that this shop just got a one-of-a-kind moonlight gem. Can I take a look?
Anything you want today, I'll buy it for you.
I'll take it.
Alaric, this is the one-of-a-kind piece that I was just telling you about. Oh.
You like it? I'll get it for you.
Aria, what are you doing here? Did you follow me?
Don't flatter yourself. I was here first.
Well, it wouldn't be the first time you've done that.
Don't worry. It'll never happen again. I'd like to pay.
Alaric, this is so beautiful. Princess Kingsley has everything she wants, but I've never had something special like this before.
I'll get it for you. Aria, you already have so much jewelry. Why can't you let her have this one gem? I'll pay triple the price.
She never says no to me.
Do you really think I need your money?
Princess Kingsley, I hear the moonlight gem carries blessings from the moon goddess for lovers. Are you buying this for Alaric, or?
So that's the reason. She wants to buy it from me.
I promised Vivian anything she wanted from here. You're already going to give it to me, so why not now? And remember, you owe it to her after you pushed her down the steps.
So let me get this straight. You want me to give it to you to make Vivian happy? Your audacity is impressive. Too bad it's not for you. Wrap it up for me, please.
Strange. Why does it feel like she's changed?
You know what, Alaric? It's okay. I don't even want it anymore. Let's just go.
No, you deserve the finest things in the world. Do not wrap that up.
What a wonderful show. I'm touched. You know what? If you want it so bad, I'll let you have it. But are you sure you can afford it? This gym is worth $1 million.
$1 million is nothing for me.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. This account has been denied. It's closed.
How's that possible? Try again.
I'm sorry. This card isn't good either.
Try these.
I'm so sorry. None of these are good.
Your pack is nothing without me. I've stopped all the financial support to you. Alaric, get ready to drown in debt. What's wrong? Are you just now finding out that you're broke? Again, I'll take it.
Thank you.
Miss Kingsley, you are killing it in there. But aren't you worried that Mr. Leon will retaliate after you're married?
Even you're still convinced I'll choose Alaric?
Of course, Miss Kingsley. Everyone knows you'd do anything for him. There's no way you'd choose anyone else.
Well, then the entire kingdom will be shocked at my engagement ceremony.
How could my account have been frozen? Aria must have pulled some trick behind my back. Darling, I'm so sorry you have to deal with this.
No, it's all on me. A petty Omega like me should never wish for something against what the princess demands. Oh my god, what was I thinking? Oh!
No, honey, don't ever say that again. If you hadn't saved me 3 years ago, I wouldn't even be here. Aria is nothing compared to you.
I didn't save you. You got the wrong person, dumbass. But I can use him as my stepping stone to the top.
Oh! Father, why did you slap me?
Because you're a dumbass! You pissed off the princess! For what? A petty Omega bitch? Aria has cut off all support for our pack. Without her support, we will go bankrupt.
So that's why my account was frozen.
Alaric, if you love Vivian, at least wait until after your engagement to Aria.
Father, don't worry. The princess is only acting childish for now. Her love for me has made her blind. Even if she were to catch Vivian and I in bed together, she'd shed a few tears and come crawling back to me.
I can't wait to know who's going to be the princess's fiancé.
Alaric Lion, of course. There's no other possibility.
But rumor has it that Alaric is in love with someone else. Looks like we're in for a good show today.
Lucian?
I got this gift for you.
But my engagement ceremony hasn't even started yet. Why the rush?
It's because I'm not going to be there. I'm leaving.
What? I swear, if you don't show up today, I will kill you.
Look, I just can't stand there and watch you take some other dude's hand. I can't. I mean, what I mean is, I can't help but jeopardize your engagement for fun. Sorry.
Lucian, wait. You better show up later or you're done. You're the fiancé today.
I'll take the stillness as a sign to write a song.
Lucian?
Things we've done.
Lucian!
Princess?
What are you doing here?
You okay?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Human women do possess a certain charm, after all.
Be deaf, take her, or leave it.
You have such a beautiful face. If you'll have me, it'd be my privilege.
Where's our lord?
Big bro, have you got any scraps left for me? Mammon's soul tastes like filthy coins.
Congratulations on your victory, my lord.
Any Stuffy or Michael could put up a fight. It's too easy. It's a total bore.
Those idiots thought they could challenge you, Lord. You wiped them out in seconds.
Bro, why not hit up the human world? Their souls taste delicious.
Oh? Since when did you sneak off to the mortal world?
Lord Mammon's had ties with the mortal realm for centuries. I'd bet his rebellion was linked to that.
Wealth, power, immortality. You have it all, my lord. Maybe you should try one of those one-night stands? My demons say they're all the rage topside.
Human women are so boring. My lord. You know I'd do anything you want, just say the word.
Summer LBs, clean up this mess. I'm off to the mortal realm.
This. Far too easy. Boring.
Oh my god. Char, what is that?
Better.
Shut the hell up! That's an order! You will listen to me!
No way! I'm not marrying that old fossil! Browning's nearly 80! You're destroying my life!
Unbelievable. We got you a loaded husband. What more could you want? But you're bitching, whiny little slut.
You should be grateful!
Dad set up my engagement too, and I said yes.
You are marrying Duke Wright, young and rich. I'm stuck with some guy old enough to be my grandpa. If you like him so much, why don't you marry him? Actually, he swings both ways. Dad, since you're so obsessed with his inheritance, why don't you throw yourself at him?
You bitch! You're marrying him whether you like it or not!
Push me any further and I'll smash my head in right here, right now!
Fuck you!
Easy, darling. She's not worth it.
Fine. Won't marry the rich noble. Marry that beggar then. We'll all be here to watch the show.
You know what? I'd rather marry a beggar. than some wrinkled old prune.
Hey, you! Yeah, get over here.
How dare this worm address me like that? Mortals are truly insolent.
Are you deaf? Get over here, now!
She's begging for a lesson.
Beggar, do you want a wife? She's yours. Take her.
These humans are absurd, handing her off like trash. So amusing. You okay?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Human women do possess a certain charm, after all.
You deaf? Take her or leave it.
You have such a beautiful face. If you'll have me, it'd be my privilege.
Miss Lucy, let's go and beg your father again, all right?
I'm leaving. Take care of yourself, Ursula.
Please, we must beg the master. Half the Tate fortune is your mother's. He can't do this for his new wife.
Forget it. I don't want to beg him. Besides, from what I can see, he looks kind. Take care of yourself.
A beautiful lady didn't lift a finger, especially for something so trivial.
Thank you.
A lady like you deserves courtesy.
Did I just see that? A hobo proposing to a Tate heiress.
I heard Mr. Tate was going to marry off his eldest child to the CEO of Browning Corp.
No, that's the CEO's grandfather. He's ancient but loaded. Just marry him, inherit his money in a few years. Way better than this bum.
Hey, are you okay?
You can always change your mind.
I won't regret it.
Let's go home.
Just got here. I haven't got a proper place yet. We'll stay here for tonight.
It's all right. We can build it up together and one day call it our home.
Close your eyes. I'll show you something magical.
This is insane. How did you pull this off?
Tonight's night in a million. Don't be nervous.
Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pennies of my heart. Wish I didn't care about what they say. What you wanted to say, what you want to say, say what you want. Say what you want to say, what you want.
My lord, Leviathan's been wreaking havoc in Nashro Sea. Michael's legions are at the border. Lord Samael's been holding the line for hours. And Lord Beelzebub would like you to request your orders.
My sweet princess. I have some things to take care of. You stay here. But remember, this ring, it's me. With you, always.
Be careful. I'll wait here for you.
I'm not getting an abortion, you're sick!
But you're a high risk, Mo. Remember?
You forged those papers!
Sis, Mum and Dad only want the best for you. Being a single mum's brutal. Why don't you, marry Browning and live like a queen with his wealth?
fucking monsters!
Get Dr. Lee in here. Sedate her, and then take her to St. Mary's for the procedure.
No, my baby. I failed to protect you. My baby. I failed to protect you.
Wash these real good. Sis. Oopsie. My mistake. Totally forgot. I've still got this little number for you. To scrub spotless. A useless leech who mooches off the family. You don't deserve to wear a damn thing.
This is my husband's ring. Nothing to do with the tapes.
Husband? Please, you're just a whore who disgraced the family with a bastard child.
I'm married. You all know that.
So where's your husband then? That's right, he left you. Because you blew your shot with Lord Browning over a wedlock brat. You asked for this.
Let go of me. It's mine.
I said take that ring off. Are you deaf?
It's mine!
You got a smart mouth, you lazy slut! I'm gonna make sure you know your place. You work so hard. Let me give your hand a little massage.
Please, get off my ring! Get off my ring!
Daughter of a whore, you damn cockroach. That won't just kick the bucket. I'm gonna beat your ass good.